Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you to block someone on Snapchat. So if you have somebody that you want to block on Snapchat, but you don't know how to do it, I'll show you how to do it in this video today. So first things first, go to Snapchat. Once you are on Snapchat, go over to your chats. Once you are in your chat section, find the person that you want to block. And to block them, all you have to do is long press on their name. So once you long press on their name, this will show up. And then you're going to want to click Manage Friendship. It should be the second option down. Once you click that, this should show up and there should be an option for Report, Block, and Remove Friend. If you want to block them, then click Block and then block them. Once you block them, they will disappear and they won't be able to contact you at all on Snapchat. So if you want to unblock somebody, click on your profile picture in the top left and then go to the settings icon in the top right. Now scroll all the way down to Account Actions. In Account Actions, to unblock somebody, you're going to want to click on Blocked. It should be the fourth option from the bottom. Once you click on Blocked, you should see everybody that you've blocked on Snapchat. And if you want to unblock them, click on the X next to their name and then click Yes right here. So if you do that, then you'll be able to unblock them. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe. Leave any questions you have in the comment section below. I'll do my best to answer them, and I'll see you guys next time.